Over the next 10 days, I'm going to release 10 videos counting down to the workshop that I'm holding in 10 days on the 28th of October at 11 a.m. I'm going to build a website from now until then, and I'm going to show you each piece over the 10 days. I'm going to build it in SharePoint. So I'm going to do a diversity, equity, and inclusion website, and I'm going to show you the pieces as I build them. Go into Teams, create a team, name the team, then go to the back end of that team, show you the SharePoint site, and then I'm going to build the site from there. We could put a picture up there to start, and then we could put like a mission and vision, and then we could put, something else. I don't know, but we're going to make it happen over the next 10 days. Stay tuned and make sure you sign up for the workshop so that you could come and get the full understanding of what I'm doing. The least that I want to do here is show you what's possible.